Panguva ino parikuonekwa kunzi every Zimbabwean is struggling. People, they are finding it difficult to make ends meet. They are finding it difficult to put food on the table. But panguva ino kurikuonekwa kunzi those in power, they are flaunting. Those in power, they are doing whatsoever they want. Panguva ino vachiita displays, anga gatherings, anga weddings. Some of them, pictures they are leaking, vachiratidza kuti they hold millions millions US dollars in their homes, briefcases. Don't go subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Continue now. Collin Mnangagwa's second wife, KUTY. Panguva ino pane pictures anosirculate pa social media yasiya nyika yese aiwa iri puzzled. Panguva ino inobuda muchinzi Collin Mnangagwa's second wife, KUTY, holding millions of US dollars exposed. And posted this picture amuri kuona ndambira achiti Collin Mnangagwa's second wife is flashing millions of US dollars that they are holding and using in place of the ZVAITWA, the very currency you and I are being told to use to strengthen the economy. They are gifting each other millions of dollars while you and I can hardly earn $20 a day. Zimbabwe, wake up. These people have no heart and they don't care an iota of our well-being. Yet they want to stay in power for one reason: to rinse the country. Don't let them sell you smoke and mirrors. Anoposta this picture, I read the wife. Panguva ino muchimona mari iri monarchs aradza kuti aiwa millions and millions. Also akabata paside pemarobha post another picture, read the struggling economy. Vanhu vari kuonekwa kunzi they are selling, they are finding it difficult to earn money or to just make a sale. Panguva ino zvinoratidza kuti the situation in Zimbabwe aiwa iri kurwadza, but those vanoonekwa kunzi vane proximity to power vari kuonekwa kunzi they are occupying my offices, they are flaunting and doing whatsoever they want. Pina comment section medu zvavhura imi kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.